Hey there, have you ever wondered how real estate agents create that link that you see in many people's social media, bios, stories, all of that? It allows you to click and see properties that say just listed, open houses, check out the new listings in these neighborhoods. Well, if so, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to walk you through step by step of how to create one of these links in a matter of 2 minutes or less. Yes, 2 minutes or less on how you can create these coming soon links, just listed, check out, properties in your area, and we're going to hop into it right now. Mariah Koehle here. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your very first time here. I'm a licensed and active real estate agent, and this channel is literally everything you need to know about how to build and scale your business the modern way by leveraging the power of social media. If that is of interest to you, consider subscribing down below. Make sure you tap that bell for notifications so you're notified every week I drop a new video. I hear from real estate agents like you all the time who are looking to build and scale their business the modern way, and I absolutely love it. So if that is you, let's connect, let's chat, and see how we can build your business the modern way by leveraging the power of social media. And drop a comment down below. Let me know what kind of topics you want covered on this channel so I can make tutorials and trainings all about them. Okay, so I am excited to show you how to create that link. If you want to take this link and put it on your social media, that is what you can do with this. It is as easy as going over here to the left-hand side. You are going to click Lead Engine. Once you have Lead Engine, you are going to scroll down to where it says Build Squeeze Page. Yes, click Build Squeeze Page. Now, ask yourself these questions. Number one, what area do you want that link to be for? Number two, are you wanting this to be for multiple properties, or are you wanting this to be for a single property? Are you wanting it to be for one seller listing, or some sort of market report? Each of these things will generate a different link. So knowing going into it, number one, what area do I want? Number two, am I wanting multiple properties, one property? Am I wanting just one specific property? So for the example of this, I'll show you a couple of different ones. Here we go. Let's start off, and wherever your location is, wherever your market is. So I am using KVCORE. I am in the Salt Lake City, Utah area. So here in Salt Lake City, there are lots of little suburbs around. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to just type in Salt Lake City, and it will take a moment to generate. Once it does, it will have, if I want specific areas, if I want like the avenues, if I want a certain neighborhood, I can do that. For the sake of this, I'm going to just put the city of Salt Lake. So I'm going to click on there. If I want to broaden that search, I can specifically draw it on the map if I want. With this little blue thing with a blue draw on map, I can do that. Again, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to just do all of that specific area. The next thing, if I want to go down and I want a specific listing type, for example, if I want just commercial properties or condos or farmland, industrial, land, mobile homes, if I want multifamily homes, whatever your niche is, whatever you are looking for mine, I usually present single family residence. So I'm going to click single family on that for listing type. Let's try that again. Single family, perfect. If for some reason I get on there and I go, oh, you know what, actually, let's take that off, we can do that. Or if I say, hey, you know what, I want to do single family homes and I want to do condos. Well, and I want to do multifamily homes as well. I can have all of those on there, or I can, click the X and I can take that off. Next thing, I can go to the style. I can get very specific on that if I would like as well. And then I can generate the link based on price range. If I want to do a certain price range, if I want to have a certain amount of acres on this, I can also do that. I can go to number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, all of that. And then coming down here to the next, it says walk score. So you can have, if you want it to be, somewhat walkable, it can be very walkable, anything there. But the one thing that I usually focus on here is down where it says options. Now on this option, this link is basically going to give you whatever it is that you're looking for. So if you are looking for properties that are just listed or walkable, fixer uppers, newly built, open house, adult communities, 55 plus. If you are looking for horse properties, golf course properties, if you are looking for pool, whatever it is, there are tons of different categories that you can have that are on this list. Now, one of my favorites that I generally put, because we cannot do coming soon here in Utah, one of my favorites is the open house button. So for the option, I generally click open house. So on a Thursday in my Instagram stories, oftentimes I will post, hey, if you are in the Salt Lake City, Utah area, you're interested in checking out some properties this weekend, here is what you can expect. Here are the open houses that are coming soon. So I click here on open house, and then you simply go to this green button that says generate link. I'm going to generate that link right there. This is the actual link that you can put in your stories. So, or this is where you can put in Facebook. This link you can take anywhere and it will generate that link. So let me show you what this link will do. I'm going to just copy that and I'm going to post this link in another tab. Okay, so here I am. I'm on the page that has the open houses that are single family. I think we had multifamily and condos that we had put for here, open houses that are coming soon this weekend. So, and this specifically is for the Salt Lake area. So you can see I've got 3 pages here worth of open houses. Again, all that I, did for this, it was single family condos, multifamily, and it is in the Salt Lake area. So you can scroll through. So if you are taking this link and you are posting this on your social media, people that are going to click on this, you will be contacted that this is a squeeze page. So you will generally get their information of their name, of who they are. And if you are interested, then you can end up reaching out to them. You can see which homes they might be interested in. But this gives you an idea specifically here with the map as well. So you can say, hey, you know what, if they're looking more here in the Mill Creek area, or they're looking in Sugar House, or they're looking in the avenues, wherever that is, it'll give you a good sense. And again, if you do not have KVCORE and you're looking to get KVCORE, typically this is about a $500 a month platform. If you are with the brokerage that we're with, I'm with eXp Realty, they give you this as part of your monthly fee. So this is a huge added bonus, and really you can do this exact same process for every single one of your links that you want to create. If you want to do just listed, just sold, whatever it is that you are looking for in your specific area, then, if you are targeting more golf course communities, hey, have you taken a look at these new listings that have hit the market recently on the golf course, and you paste this link. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any comments specifically about how to build out this squeeze page, feel free to give me a call. Shoot me a text, send me an email. Let me see what I can do. And I would love to help you out with your business. Take care and wishing you a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.